To make your website secure on Squarespace, you'll need to enable SSL and two-factor authentication. Let me show you how. Go to squarespace.com and log in with your credentials. Click on the website you want to secure. The site's editing interface will open. Click Settings in the left sidebar. The Settings panel will open with multiple categories. Look for Advanced or Developer Tools, then select SSL or Security and SSL. The SSL panel will open, showing your security preference options. Under Security Preference, select Secure. This option might also be labeled as Secure, Preferred, or Secure, SSL TLS. Check the HSTS Secure option just below. This encrypts the connection and prevents attackers from accessing or impersonating your site. Click Save at the bottom of the SSL settings panel. You'll see Active next to certificate status. Once it's saved, it can take up to 48 hours for the update to fully complete. Now let's enable two-factor authentication for an extra security layer. Navigate back to Settings and click on Security and Login. The Security and Login panel will open. Under two-factor authentication, click Enable. You'll see setup options appear. Choose whether you want to use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or text message. If you're using an app, a QR code will appear. Scan it with your authenticator app and enter the generated code. If you're using text message, enter your phone number and then enter the code sent via text. Squarespace will show you backup codes. Save these in a safe place. You'll need them if your primary two-factor authentication method isn't available. Verify your SSL is active by visiting your site in a private browsing window. Your URL should start with HTTPS and you'll see a padlock icon in the browser. If any contributors have access to your website, make sure they also enable two-factor authentication on their accounts. That covers the essentials for securing your Squarespace site.